Hey Tyler, this is your first time having Pablo. Let's try. What do you think, buddy? What do you think? What do you think? Oh my goodness. Oh. Wow. Wow. What do you think? I'm gonna help you check. What do you think? You good? You're not spitting it out as much as I thought you would. Yeah.
You like it?
What do you
like
think?
it?
What do you
Yeah.
think? That's a little different. That's a little different. That's only 1 teaspoon of what we made our tablespoon too. Like, oops, sorry. That's alright, we'll get it all over you. We'll give you a bath later.
All over your nose.
Here we go. Here we go. What do you think? Does Daddy want to try? Oh, I can stop recording.